PDFs are one of the most commonly used file formats for work, school, and personal projects. But simply having PDFs isn't enough. Knowing how to use them efficiently can save time, reduce stress, and improve productivity. In this video, we'll share practical PDF productivity tips to help you work smarter and get more done. The first tip is to master PDF organization. Keep your files clearly labeled and grouped in folders by project, client, or topic. Consistent naming conventions, version numbers, and categories make it easy to find the document you need instantly. This simple step alone can save you hours of searching and prevent confusion when handling multiple files. Next, use PDF annotation and editing tools to stay productive. Highlight key points, add comments, or strike through unnecessary content. Annotations are perfect for reviewing reports, marking up assignments, or collaborating with colleagues. Keeping your notes within the PDF itself eliminates the need for extra documents or emails, making your workflow more streamlined. Another powerful tip is leveraging PDF conversion. PDFs can be converted to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or image formats for editing, data analysis, or presentation purposes. Likewise, converting documents back into PDFs ensures formatting stays consistent when sharing or submitting files. Using conversion strategically allows you to work with PDFs in the way that best suits your task. Automation can boost productivity as well. Many PDF tools allow batch processing, compress multiple files at once, merge several PDFs, or add watermarks to multiple documents simultaneously. Automating repetitive tasks saves time and reduces errors, especially when working with large volumes of PDFs. Collaboration features also make a big difference. Use shared PDFs with real-time comments, version tracking, and digital signatures to work effectively with teammates. Whether reviewing a report, completing forms, or approving contracts, collaboration tools keep everyone on the same page and make processes faster. PDF security can also affect productivity. Protecting sensitive documents with passwords, encryption, or access restrictions ensures you don't have to worry about unauthorized edits or leaks. Knowing your files are secure lets you focus on your work instead of constantly checking on document safety. Finally, integrate PDFs into your workflow with cloud storage, project management tools, or email systems. This centralizes your files, makes them accessible anywhere, and allows you to track changes or approvals efficiently. Combining PDFs with your broader workflow is a great way to stay organized and productive. In summary, improving your PDF productivity involves organization, annotation, conversion, automation, collaboration, security, and integration. By applying these tips, you can handle documents faster, reduce stress, and focus on getting meaningful work done. If you found these PDF productivity tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss more practical guides for working smarter with digital documents.